Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you one more HackerRank challenge called Designer PDF Viewer and how this challenge can be solved easily. The challenge is we need to calculate the area of the highlighted text. So for example, in the given picture, it is shown that the height or the word ABC has been highlighted. So we need to calculate that height of the area. For that, what we have to do is they have given the height of the English alphabet from A to Z. That is, A is 1, 3 is 2, C is 1, and so on. So we need to solve the how we can calculate the area of the highlighted word. So what is the solution is, suppose the word ABC has been given. Now this is the height of all the English alphabet from A to Z. Now if for ABC, A is 1, that is the height, B is 3 and C is 1. Now we need to get the maximum height. So in this case B is having the maximum height, so we are taking 3. Now what is the length of ABC? 3 characters. So 3 into 3, 9. Now it is already given that assumption is that the width of every English alphabet is A and C is 1 mm wide. That is constant. So the total area of this ABC, which is highlighted in this case, is 1 into 3 into 3, which is 9. So this is what we are going to solve it. Okay. Now for that we can just go to their code. They have given a method called Designer PDF Viewer, which is having integer height as one of the parameter and string word itself. So string word is the word which is going to be highlighted, and H contains the height of all the English alphabet from A to Z. So what we can do is, first thing, we need to create a hash map containing all these English alphabet from A to Z with the corresponding height. Okay, so we can do one thing. We can do integer start is equal to 97, integer end is equal to 122. This is the value of A and value of Z. This is A and this is Z. Now what we can do is, we can integer having a loop, for loop, integer I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to I is equal to start, I less than or equal to end, then I plus plus. Then we need to create a hash map. So map of character, then integer, set map, new hash map of character, then integer. Then we need to have, now we are going to read the height for first character and first letter, which is A. This can be done by initializing a variable called index. Index is equal to 0. Now map.put, then chr of I, which is 97, then the value of A is h of index, then index plus plus. Now we need to declare one more variable called height. Then we are just getting the length of the word for integer I is equal to 0, I less than word dot length, then I plus plus. Okay, now we are just finding the maximum height by using math.max, then the height, comma, then map dot get word dot char at of I, which means that we are getting the each and every character of the input word, and we are getting the value from the map, take its height, then we are calculating the maximum height, then we are assigning to height variable. Now we calculate the area. Area is 1, which is constant, into word dot length, I mean this one, into height of the maximum height of the alphabet, which is height. Now we are returning this area. So this is how it is. So we are created a map, and we are putting the value of all the English alphabet from A to Z along with this height. Then we find out the maximum height. Then we find out that area by multiplying 1 into length of the word into maximum height of the English alphabet, and we are returning the area. See what we are going to get it. Run code. Yes, looks like this is fast. Now we are going to submit it. Yes. So we have solved this challenge. Okay, let us do one. Let us walk through the code once again. First, we created a map with the value as alphabet of the English letter, and the value of that particular key is the height, which is taken from the array. So map.put. So this line map.put char I, comma h index will map the height of the character, I mean English alphabet, to the map. If it is A, then it will take that value. If it is B, then it will take the corresponding value from the array, and so on. Then we are incrementing the index, this one. Then we are initializing a variable called height, which is 0 here. Then we are finding the maximum height of the English alphabet in that word and assigning to the height variable. Then we are calculating the area by 1, which is a constant, I mean the width, into total number of characters. So 1 into word dot length into height. Height is the maximum height of the alphabet. Then we are getting the area, and we are returning that area. So this is how we have solved this challenge. Thank you.